Hi Leo, welcome to Sweet Moon's Tarot. This is going to be a general love reading. Hope everybody's doing well. Let's pull some numbers for you. Thank you, spirits, angels, and guides. What numbers do you have for Leo? Okay, we have 0, so new beginnings are on the horizon for you. We have 9, 3, 6, 4, 2, and 7. Possible houses you could be dealing with: Taurus, Cancer, Libra, Virgo, Gemini, and Sagittarius. Okay, possible ages: 27, 72, 76, 67, 34, 43, 46, 47, 42, 93, 39 years old, 34, 37, 36, 32, 23, 24, 27, 26, 29, 94, 97, 93, 96. Those also could be years. Did I get them all? 47, 43, 46. Did I say that? 49? All right. Let's roll some zodiac die for you. This could be your sun sign that comes out, your moon sign, your person's sun or moon sign, or someone you may be dealing with in the future. Our sun sign is what we project to the world. Our moon sign is our emotions, what we keep hidden, who we are when we're quiet, when we're by ourselves. Thank you, Spirit. What signs do you have for Leo, please? We have Libra, and we have Aquarius. If you're not dealing with one of those signs, you could be balancing your emotions right now. There could also be some harmony to a renewal. All right, let's see what's going on with your energy and then your person's energy, okay? Or the person on your mind. Thank you, Spirit. What do you have for Leo's energy, please? What do you have for Leo's energy? Okay, we have to the moon and back. What else do we have for Leo, please? We have Lorelei. I get a sense of waiting here, Leo. You're kind of staying put. Let's see, what else? You could be waiting for someone to come back to you. Waiting for some kind, maybe some kind of like excitement to happen. Let's see. We have Night Ride. Okay, I'm seeing kind of like maybe like a best friend or some kind of connection where there's a protector here. There's some like kind of chemistry. I see stability. I see two people who are very much alike. There's almost magical, the connection between these two people, but I feel like you're waiting here for somebody. You may not be in contact with them at the moment. You could be waiting for them to get their act together. You could be waiting for communication, but let's get their energy. What is Leo's person's energy, please? We have day and night. Moon dance. Could be dealing with a Pisces or an Aquarius. Hold on, too many. What is Leo's person's energy? My home is my castle. Bottom of the deck, Queen Bee. Okay. You could have been with this person before or been married to them. Don't have to. Or you could just be in an again, off-again relationship, maybe something along those lines. If not, I'm seeing some hot and cold here. Okay, I'm seeing someone who has built walls with your person. They may not be letting you in. They could be responsible for their family. They could be important somehow or in the spotlight. They also seem to have this sense of adventure where maybe nothing is ever kind of good enough for them, or they're kind of like, I don't know, I see they have like maybe like a little bit of a big ego as well. It could be like chasing things to fulfill them. They could appear as one person and then act as a different person. They could be very hot and cold with their emotions as well. Let's get the mutual energy between the two of you. Thank you, spirits, angels, and guides. What is the mutual energy between Leo and their person? We have Rose Garden, the Journey, and we have Red Garden. So 2 gardens here. Bottom of the deck, keys on trees. All right, you two could have been down a long road. That's for some of you. For others, you're waiting for this journey to happen. I do see mutual attraction. I do see mutual curiosity. I also get the energy of contentment when you look at each other. There is something standing in the way here of trying to make things work. Communication could be a factor. Having someone open up could be a factor. Trying to get them to open up, trying to think of ways to get to them. Or you may be trying to get them to see, see who you are as a person. For a select few of you, because there's many out there, you could be trying to get this person to forgive you, or you could be trying to forgive them maybe for something. There's something here about finding a way to make something work, or maybe unlock someone's heart. Somebody could be very isolated as well. Interesting. I'm also getting a sense that there's like a long road ahead. We are going to pull some tarot. Then I'm also going to be pulling your person's letters, or like initials if we can get them, possible names and messages you may need to hear. So stick to the end if you can. Excuse me, I'm still getting over my cold. Thank you, spirits, angels, and guides. Can I please have Leo's energy, please? We have the Queen of Pentacles. Okay. We have the Star. You could be dealing with a Taurus or Aquarius. We have the Lovers. Okay. All right. For some of you, there could be a third party involved. There could also be something maybe like a choice here. There could be a renewal. Like I said before when I was rolling your dice, there could be a renewal between you and somebody. I do see mutual respect, mutual attraction. I do see maybe you are looking at this person like they are your hopes, they're your dreams. You could be trying to renew the relationship, the connection. You could be thinking about them a lot. I feel like you want to hang out with this person. You could want to connect with them, okay? I do get Gemini energy here as well. Sorry, hold on. All right, let's see your person's energy. Thank you, Spirit. What is Leo's person's energy, please? We have the Ten of Swords. Seven of Cups. What else, please? Eight of Swords. Ooh, 10 of Wands. Okay. I feel like this person has trust issues. I also feel like they are unwilling to see the bigger picture. I also feel like there's something that's keeping them in like a mental prison. They could have just recently went through something very painful. Maybe some betrayal here, or something they found out. I do see there's things that are heavily burdened on them. I feel like when it comes to love, they don't know which way to go. I feel like there's things they believe to be true, things they don't believe. I feel like trust is a huge thing with them. This person, I feel like, is so heavily burdened that they're really hard to get to. Hard to get them to open up as well. Let's get the mutual energy, please. We have the Ten of Pentacles. The Ten of Wands comes out again, so 2 10s. And the Tower, yeah, see? Bottom of the deck, the Empress. For some of you, this person could be pregnant or dealing with somebody who's pregnant. Family seems to be a factor here, but that's just the Empress. You know, it's fertility. That's only for some of you. But if pregnancy is a thing here, this person could be heavily burdened with the fact of bringing in a new baby, or that they got somebody pregnant, or they got pregnant. They're going through a Tower moment. If it doesn't have to do with pregnancy, I do see that they may be heavily burdened with something going on in their family. This person could be in a relationship. This person could be married. Things could be falling apart. But I'm seeing the mutual energy between you two is that I feel that there's something here about... See, I'm getting two mixed things here. Because, I mean, the energy's here, so I have to... If I didn't say it, I would feel bad that I left some people out who probably need to hear it. There's something shocking that could have shocked both of you, okay? Or you both could be going through things right now. You both could be burdened. You could be looking at each other like you'd be a good fit for each other. You'd be great together. Things could really grow. We have Libra, Taurus energy, Aries, Scorpio energy here now. But I feel like there could be a burden for some of you that's about bringing this connection together. Maybe the renewal scares them, or connecting with you scares them. They could feel like it may not work. How is this going to grow? How are we going to nurture this? You may also feel like this person is just impossible to... Yeah, it's like you feel like it's impossible to grow with this person because it's like they're so closed off, and they may be going through something, but it's like they're doing it to themselves. Let's pull some cards on this, see what could be going on. Thank you, Spirit. Communication. Okay. So communication could be a huge thing here. There could be no communication, or communication could be difficult. What else, please? Self-love. Okay. I'm learning to love myself and make my happiness a priority. Whoa. We have friendship. Can we be friends and build from there? And we have lust. Bottom of the deck, secret admirer. I'm not ready to reveal my true feelings for you. This person could have feelings for you, and they could be denying their feelings, okay? It's you could be wanting to start as friends. You could be wanting to be there for them as a friend. I see friendship here. There's very heavy mutual attraction here with the lovers. And the Night Ride card here. We have lust here. But it's not enough. The lust is not enough. Something seems to be going on with the communication. Some of you could be like forced to love yourselves because this person won't let you in, or you feel like you're going it alone. You may not have told this person how you truly feel, or they're not telling you. But I have something here that's like, it's like this person knows that you would be good for them, but they're so caught up in their head. It's almost like they're denying their feelings, or they're just sabotaging it. What do we have in After Tarot, please? Six of Swords. Yeah, I feel like this person could have also, they could also be with someone or went back to their children's, you know, the father or mother of their children. They could be somewhere actually where they don't want to be. It's almost like a burden for them where they are. Oh, this could be competition for their affection here. Two of Swords, Three of Swords. I feel like this person is wounded. This person is like heartbroken here. There seems to be competition. There could be some hearts closed, like a heart closed off to emotions. This person could also be fed up with love. King of Swords, we have Aquarius here. Wow, Queen of Swords at the bottom. So the King and the Queen of Swords comes out. We have Libra energy here. We have Libra and Aquarius here, and that's what came out on your die. If you don't know your person's moon sign or yours, I'll put a link in the description box. I feel like you want to set this person free from heartache. This person could be dealing with someone else here. I am picking up third-party energy. Interesting. All right. If this is resonating with you, Leo, please like, share, subscribe, comment. I appreciate you. Let's do these oracle cards, then we'll pull some letters for you. Whoa. Oh, I wasn't meant to have that one then. We have I respect you. I think I did say mutual respect earlier. I didn't appreciate what we had until it was over. I wish. We both know it isn't over. The way you make me feel. Bottom of the deck, does anyone care about my happiness? Okay. Let's see what letters come out for you. This could be your person's initials, your initials. I'll say as many names as I can, but feel free to take a screenshot, blow the picture up, and jumble them up yourselves. What do we have for my Leos, please? Spirits, angels, and guides. Thank you. We have N, P, A, another A. Oh, I also see Napa. Someone could be from Napa. Another P. G. There could be a gap here as well. I'm just going to say what jumps out at me. Like a gap in time or maybe when you last communicated. We have O, M, X, R, U, C, F, another U. I see Amar, I, K. I see the name Mark, another O, a Y, T, Y, another R, another K, E. I see courage here. Someone may need courage to come forward and speak a truth. I also see rookie. If they're a baseball player or they're, you know, just a rookie with something. Another I. Another F. It's weird how I'm getting a lot of duplicates here. I pull quite a few because I have like quadruplets and triplets in here. Another, oh no, first J, G, and we'll do a few more. Z, E, and we'll do two more. V, I see Victor. I have R. Okay. Sorry, my daughter came home, so let me do 2 more. I have S, and I have an A. Could be dealing with the Sagittarius. I see Sag. I also see Aries. All right, let's see. Something could be foggy here. I see like a Monroe, a row. I see the name Ron, Ronnie, Prime. I don't know, Prime. Primer? Somebody's like a painter. I see Fang. Could be a name of a pet. Let's see. I'm seeing Mr. a lot. Mr. what? Oh, mystery. Something's a mystery. See the name Tony. I see Peter. Tina. I'm seeing poker. Somebody could have a poker face. Maybe not admitting their feelings for you. I also see a Mrs. Mr. and Mrs. So somebody actually could be married. I'm also seeing stink or stinky. So I know it sounds funny, but like that could be like a nickname somebody needs to hear. I also see Tink or Tinks. Could be, yeah, could be like a nickname. Let's see. Okay. Someone could live on a farm. I'm seeing sex here. Sext. Since someone was sext. Or someone was sexting. I see Zoe. I'm seeing off. Something's not right. Something on again, off again, maybe. Look, tux. Somebody could wear tux. Yeah, someone could have got married or could have been married to them or, yeah, in a tux. Someone was wearing a tux. What else does Leo need to see? Somebody could be really goofy here. Did you see goofy? Somebody could be an Aries or Scorpio because I see Mars. I'm also seeing time. Timing could be off with something. Or time off. Somebody got time off. Maybe like laid off. Or something happened like while somebody had time off. I do see vacation here. Like yeah. Vacay. Someone could have been terminated from their job. I'm also seeing terms. Something could be on somebody's terms. Like only on their terms. I see Rex. I see merge. Somebody could like merged families or merged houses or like merged homes, like families. I see Meyer or Myers. Sing. Somebody's a singer, sings. Maybe for a living. Can you guys see that? You might have to blow it up and jumble them up yourselves. Take a screenshot. Feel free. Okay, but I'm also seeing peace. Like peace and then pie. So like there's a piece missing. There's a mystery here. There's something that is being hidden. Let me draw another card from this deck. Thank you, spirits, angels, and guides. Ace of Wands, the Fool, Ten of Swords, Three of Cups. I feel like there is third party energy involved here. Where there's a beginning, there's an ending. But there's also a rekindle here. So somebody could be wanting to come in after this ending with this third party. Something along those lines. Okay, ask a question, Leo. If this is resonating with you, please like, share, subscribe, comments. I appreciate you. I'll answer yes or no from Spirit. Thank you, Spirit. Is it a yes or no for Leo's question? We have the Lovers, Gemini energy, and the answer is yes. We also have the Fool at the bottom here, and the Fool showed his face there. Maybe when there is a choice that is made, okay, it will be yes, but I do see yes here. I also see like there's no L here, but it was sticking out to me, an apology. Somebody may need to apologize for something, okay? I'm also seeing makeup. You might have to make up with each other. And I see spy and eyes. Somebody is also watching somebody here. Okay. All right, Leo, that's all I have for you. Thank you for watching and reflect from within. Thanks, bye.